my door before the sun came up. He went to work out on the farm and he came home after dark. I stayed right there by his side till the morning work was done. He'd sometimes set me on his knee and he held me in his arms. He'd take out that old pocket knife and lay it in my hand. Same old pocket knife that his daddy gave to him. The handle was worn from days gone by, but the blade was straight and true. He said, someday when you're older, son, I'm gonna leave it all to you. Now I am a man and daddy's gone. He handed down a lot of things I carried through my life. A lesson planned as a father to his son. I think of him each time I hold that pocket knife. I wear the scar, but I learned from that mistake, 'cause I could tell it broke his heart to take back what he gave.